guys, welcome back to my channel. Just kidding. I know it's been 5,000 years since I uploaded, and it will probably be 5,000 more until I upload again. So if you're bored and interested in checking me out, then let's go ahead and get started. Quarantine check. Hey y'all, I'm back and I'm better than ever. Nah, just kidding. Nothing really happened ever since the last time I filmed a video. I was just trying to get a degree and go to college and be in college, and I mean, I'm still going back to college, gang gang, but I'm still trying to pursue my dream. Anyway, so I'm putting up my hair because it was a mess, and I don't know what the hell I'm doing there. I think I just tied it in a knot. What the hell? Anyways, I look like a freaking founding father. There you go, George Washington. But yeah, so anyways, after I did that for no reason, I'm gonna apply some loose setting spray loose powder, because I filmed this 3 months ago whenever the shit hit the fan and the world was ending and TikTok makeup trends were taking off, and you know, since I had nothing to do, I was just trying to test this out, and I'm applying this after my primer. I use the Milk primer, and that primer is thebomb.com. You cannot tell me otherwise. If you don't have a good primer, get the Milk primer. Anyway, so I'm being basic and I'm applying this. I'm being a follower of the Lord. And afterwards, I'm going to spray some setting spray and just follow the TikTok rules in terms of the primer, loose powder, and the setting spray. And then afterwards, I'm gonna still try to figure out how to become a YouTuber, because apparently I didn't know, and I still don't know. And yeah, check out my Texas Tech shirt. Hey, recom. Anyways, so what the hell am I here? Anyways, so now that is done, I am going to carve out my brows, and usually I don't do this unless I'm going to be super extra with my face and my makeup, so that's why I'm carving out my brows here. Also, can we just acknowledge the fact that this is like more zoomed in to my freaking mirror than it is to my face? This is why I left the YouTube world and pursued microbiology. Anyways, so I look like a freaking Angry Bird, and I'm just like filling in my eyebrows. And then I'm hitting the whoa and about to apply my foundation. L'Oreal True Matte is the best thing that's ever happened to my life. As you can see, it covered up my little thing right there, and it looks crazy, but I don't know why it always looks like that, because in person it just looks fine once it's like all blended in. But anyway, so I'm applying this all over my face with a beauty blender, and then I'm just gonna blend and go down to the neck. And do not forget your freaking ears, girls. I see this all the time, like I see this all the time, like people's like foundation isn't blended into their ears, and their ear is like a different nationality than like their face. Anyways, so I'm doing this to my whole face, and then I'm going to put on a headband from like back from 2006, and then afterwards I'm gonna call myself out for having a five head. Oh, anyway, so then I'm gonna blend up the foundation to my big old frente, and then I'm just gonna keep blending, and that's all you gotta do is just keep blending, but don't blend in. So then I'm going to apply the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm just putting it under my eyes, and then I'm doing all these weird facial expressions to blend it in. And then I really like to like put it a lot on the side of my nose, so that way it kind of like contours my nose for whenever you take pictures for the gram or whatever. And then I always carry it up to the top of my eyelid just because I use that concealer as like my base for my eyeshadow. And then I'm using the Airspun loose powder. Honestly, this is my favorite loose powder. I'm not a fan of the Laura Mercier one. Like, arrest me, like, I don't know, like, I just don't like that one, and everyone likes that one and hates the Airspun one, but I'm hashtag different. So here I'm using the Momentum shade from the Retrograde Mercury, or Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. And then I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star and Morphe collab. And if you hear somebody talking in the background, it's my baby brother Diego. Diles hola. Hola. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Anyways. Honey. ¿Te caíste? Yes. Yes. So then afterwards, I'm just doing kind of like a cut crease on my eye. I'm just using Cushy Board Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte on my lid. And then I'm just blending it up how I want to. And then for my lid, I'm going to be using Wand Noise on my lid and just building it up and kind of like letting it like fade out into that pink color. And then afterwards, I'm going to clean up my highlight area under my brow bone. And this is the brush that I use. Whatever. And so I'm just using that to blend everything in. Also, I don't know why my rings always like invert towards like my palm area. So then I'm using the Camo Concealer by e.l.f. and I'm cleaning up my eyebrow bone area. I really like a really clean like underbrow slash highlight area. I don't know why, like I just really like how that looks. I feel like it looks like I have more space under my eye. And then I'm using the Marc Jacobs bronzer. I really like this bronzer, except I accidentally bought like one shade too dark for my skin tone. So I kind of struggle a lot to blend it in. And here I'm being all like Rosa de Guadalupe dramatic, scene. So after I'm being all dramatic, I realized that this was the wrong shade for me, so I need to start blending it out. And when in doubt, you gotta sing it out. But seriously, can we talk about how therapeutic it is to just sit down, like play your music at full blast and just relax? So here I am using a Physicians Formula bronzer, and I use this to contour my nose because I knew that the Marc Jacobs one was too dark for me, so I'm doing like my Squidward nose, and I'm using that to like contour my nose. And then I'm using this Milani blush, and fun fact, actually a really really sad fact about me is that I love blush like way too much sometimes, and I overdo it, and I didn't notice that I was overdoing it until I looked in the mirror and I realized. So then I had to blend that out, and I also really enjoy putting blush on the tip of my nose. I think it looks really cute, especially for this look that I was going for. Here I am baking a little bit more on the bottom of my contour, and then I did that for no reason, and I don't know why I keep doing the whoa, but I think this is when the whoa was like, anyways. So I'm using this Maybelline highlight on the tip of my nose, my highlight area, my forehead, and then I'm using Benetint on my lips. Period. So then for my eyelashes, I am using the IT Cosmetics mascara, and literally the difference this mascara makes. But we ain't done yet. We are not done yet. Next, we still have the lips. For my lips, I use this Artist Couture lip gloss, and then to make it like more glossy, I use the Fenty gloss, like the clear one. And then I like mix my lips together, and then I use this little sparkly little heart to put it like on the edges of my eyes. So to attach the little heart, I just used some Too Faced glitter glue and then put it with this tweezer, and that pretty much completes the whole look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Like.
Bye.
Share.
Share.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.